I'm here to show you how easy it is to dismantle the tablet stand. Let me show you how easy it is to do. Firstly, I loosen off the mechanism for the cradle. Push forward, tighten and set in position. And then can loosen off these bars to collapse the stand and tighten the bars up. I now need to remove the main part of the stand from the base plate by removing these thumb screws. Carefully remove the body of the stand. You'll see here you have a bracket. This is purely for the transportation of the stand. Remove from the hole. Place. I now need to place two of the thumb screws onto the base plate. Tighten these down. They're purely here for the transportation. You'll see here in this position, I can now take the stand, place over, making sure that the bars are just past the base plate, as shown. Take the bracket, hold over the main part of the stand, lift the base, and slot into position. Take the final thumb screw and tighten over the bracket. Your stand is nicely secure now to transport. And that's how easy it is to dismantle the stand.